2026 Kia Sportage gets refreshed styling and maybe a new engine. The 1.6-liter turbocharged hybrid engine is likely to return, but the non-hybrid gets a change under the hood. The current Kia Sportage has been a great choice for small SUV buyers since its debut in 2023. Its fuel economy, spacious interior, great price, and attractive styling are all reasons why it sits at number 2 in the compact SUV category of our buyer's guide. We suspected that the Sportage is still a year or so out from a mid-cycle refresh, but it might come sooner than we thought, as the 2026 Kia Sportage was just revealed in Korea. The 2026 Kia Sportage hasn't been seen on any of the automaker's websites outside of its Korean consumer site, so we don't expect to see it available stateside for at least another 6 months or more. However, we can certainly glean some details from the KDM version that will likely make its way to the North American market version. The first update you'll notice is exterior styling. The front and rear of the 2026 Kia Sportage are completely reworked from the previous model, with its design language more aligned with what we've seen on the EV9, like the vertical headlights for example. The rear tail lights have been updated as well, with a new design that is more geometric in shape than the previous lights. It looks like the Kia Sportage's dashboard also received a significant update from the outgoing model. There is a new double display screen that is reminiscent of what you would find on Hyundai vehicles like the Tucson and the Ioniq 5 and 6. Under the hood, the 1.6-liter turbocharged hybrid engine is returning, but the 2.5-liter non-hybrid option is nowhere to be found on the Korean version of the 2026 Sportage. Instead, there is a 2.0-liter engine available. It's possible that the new Sportage will get the same 2.0-liter engine from the 2025 Kia K4, or the automaker may just stick with the 2.5-liter engine as a North American exclusive option. We'll keep our ears and eyes out for more information as it becomes available, but it may be a few more months before Kia is willing to share more for US details.